Marty! Marty!
Doc!
Hey, you're not Marty?
Oh, I'm not Marty, I'm Misty.
Well, Misty, welcome to my latest project. It's one I've been waiting for my entire life.
It's still about quilting though, right?
Well, of course it's about quilting. Okay. All your questions will be answered, but I need you to roll that tape.
Okay.
Hello, I'm Jenny from the Missouri Star Quilt Company. And it is Friday, February 14th, 2020. And I can't wait to tell you about the Golden Star Sweepstakes. It's finally back to the future. If my calculations are correct, when this sewing machine reaches 88 miles per hour, you're gonna see stars. Watch this. What did I tell you? 88 miles per hour.
Holy moly, you disintegrated your sewing machine.
I didn't disintegrate anything.
But where is it?
The question isn't where, but when. You see, my machine has just become the first ever traveling time machine. I sent my sewing machine into the future.
Wait a minute. Are you telling me that you made a time machine from your sewing machine?
That's right. That's right. I'm sending one lucky winner a brand new sewing machine plus a fully equipped sewing room, and it's all happening in the future.
But when?
I've sent this machine to March 21st, 2020. That's when the grand prize winner will be announced. But until then, there are lots of ways to win prizes.
What kind of prizes? What do I do to win?
For every $25 you spend at Missouri Star Quilt Company, you are a winner. It's everything from quilter's cash to fabric and notions, all the way up to the grand prize of a sewing room. It's going to be amazing.
It sounds so amazing.
Yes. Golden Star is back to the future with even more ways to win. You'll receive an email with a prize code for every $25 you spend on our website, and every code is a winner. Over 100 of our wonderful sponsors have contributed thousands of prizes worth more than $200,000. There will even be a bonus prize drawing live on Facebook every weekday at 1 p.m. And one grand prize winner will receive a dream sewing room worth over $12,000. Go to msqc.co/goldenstar2020 to learn how you can enter for your chance to win.